The job everyone wants, but it ruins lives along the way. Tummy tucks cost $8,174, $17,000, $24,000, $60,000 out of pocket because insurance won't cover your vanity wants. A brachioplasty will cost you $1,192 out of your own pocket savings because your arms are too high or way too low in the mirror. If you want a liposuction, which is where they remove fat instead of weight loss surgery or hard work, it will cost you $4,711. Breast reduction will cost you $9,000 without insurance if they deem it as a vanity need. A breast lift will cost $8,000 because a woman's pride is sagging down with age. Most popular surgery, a breast augmentation, will cost you an unholy price of $4,875 out of your bank account. Starting price of eyelid surgery is going to cost you $3,000 for consultation face-to-face. If you wanted a combined upper-lower eyelid surgery, you better bank out $7,000 to $11,000. If you wanted a lower eyelid surgery, it's $3,800 to $9,500. For an upper eyelid surgery, it is $3,000 to $6,000. A thread liquid facelift will cost you $1,500, $5,000. A deep plane facelift will cost you $36,000, $14,000. Mini facelift will cost you $7,000, $10,000. For a normal facelift, $10,000, $22,000. Consolation is going to set your crying bank account to $8,000. A brow lift will make you pay $4,000 out of your monies and your bank. A brow lift cures resting angry face. Botox normally costs $420 to $445, but in rural areas, it's $15 to $10. But it's fake. It has mystery stuff in it. In urban neighborhoods, it's $18 to $15, but done by an unlicensed person. A nose job requires you pay $7,500 to fix your Roman nose, big nose, based on your race, gender. The insurance company denies coverage to those who are doing plastic surgery to look, feel better about their flaws. BBL kills a lot of people. 45,000 women are plastic surgeons who get paid $55,000 to $90,000, but get given sexism and bias misconceptions. Men take up 1.6% of the field and will reject or approve patient. Plastic surgeons spend 1 to 4 years of schooling, 2 to 4 years in medical school, and 5 to 6 years in a surgical residency program, which is competitive. They work for 50 hours until it's 60 hours a day. Bad plastic surgeons ask for cash to avoid insurance company and government's control, and lie saying a nose job, tummy tuck was medical need. Falsify documents, paperwork, scam through social media, and make a med student do surgery instead of famous surgeon on TikTok. Some plastic surgeons commit insurance fraud on purpose to save an extra buck on tax returns. Some hackers have hacked into a plastic surgery hospital or clinic to find personal patient info that HIPAA won't let them see or use. Some plastic surgeons have used low-grade silicone or mysteries liquids in their surgeries because of being cheapskate. Some plastic surgeons have used fake fillers if in all reality they are not licensed to practice medicine. Some scammers promise free plastic surgery to harvest your organs or out of your money, or to take you across borders to do labor or make you do adult work. Some people fake their proof of being a doctor to sell you a course that does not exist. Underground spas, salons promise plastic surgery or free lip filler, Botox injections, but are not legally registered under any government or agency. 11,799 hospitals or clinics exist just for plastic surgery. The personal problems can be strained relationships, fears of malpractice lawsuits. Patients are too unrealistic. The job gets high-staked. The complications, the burnout. The field is competitive. But hey, you can specialize in reconstruction, transform lives, confidence. You make your own schedule, you earn higher wage. You can express choice of rejecting patient, can use art, science. Deaths fall into strokes, respiratory arrest, heart attack, fat embolism, infection, gangrene. Have internal bleeding. Yet don't say, hey, I messed up. Countries that worsen plastic surgery results: Miami, Turkey, Dominican Republic, Mexico, New Mexico, Iran. Because they result in complications that cause injury or death. Colombia, South Korea, Thailand are safer choices. But do your research on reviews, death rates, successes.